Hello there, welcome to our channel. So back in January, Mobvoi announced the TicWatch GTH in China, and now the official Twitter account has posted a teaser that hints at a global release of the smartwatch. This watch has one special sensor on board, a body temperature measurement sensor, or simply speaking, a built-in thermometer. It's clear what it does just by looking at the name of the sensor. Yes, it monitors body temperature and can detect changes as small as 0.1 degrees Celsius, and it takes only 5 seconds. It can also measure the body temperature at 10 minutes intervals and in a variety of weather conditions. It will also warn you when your body temperature is abnormal, which comes in handy considering the current growth in virus situation. Now before we move forward with other specs, let me give you an idea about its price. In China, it was launched for Yuan 299, which roughly translates to $46. So globally, it could launch in the price range of $60 to $70. And according to some sources, it will launch on April 13th. So if you're still interested, then let's continue with the rest of the specs. It includes a rectangular 1.55-inch TFT color display with a resolution of 360 by 320 pixels and a PPI of 310. It has been housed in a metal frame covered with 2.5D glass and also comes with an anti-scratch and anti-fingerprint coating. As for the strap, this is a hypoallergenic TPU plastic with the possibility of release. This allows for interchangeability according to our choice. The smartwatch has 4 major health indicators: the blood oxygen level, heart rate, breathing rate, and lastly the body temperature that we talked about at the beginning of the video. Of course, there are also professional sports mode, in total 14 of them. Take a look. It also supports automatic detection of 3 sports mode: walking, running, and cycling. The watch also has a sedentary reminder, sleep tracking, and a breathing coach. As for battery, there is a 260 mAh battery inside the smartwatch, and it will last up to 7 days in typical usage mode and up to 10 days in basic usage mode. Charging is via 2 pogo pins on the underside, and it takes 2 hours to fully charge. The smartwatch is water resistant up to 50 meters and it connects via Bluetooth 5.0. So that's pretty much everything there is to know about this watch. For more such videos, do consider subscribing, and thank you for watching. Peace out.